Hey guys, it's me, and today I'm going to be doing an updated Bakugou makeup tutorial. So let's get. And the reason I'm updating this is, I didn't like it, and even my wig, I restyled it, and it's better. I still don't like it that much, but it's better. I didn't even have concealer when I made that video, and I rewatched it, and I was like, oh no. So now I'm remaking it. So the first thing that I'm going to be doing is cleaning off my face and putting in my contacts. Okay, so now that that's done, I'm going to be priming my face. Oh, also, everything I'm going to be using will be in the description down below. Okay, so my mom saw me doing my makeup the other day and was like, what are you doing? So apparently your concealer is supposed to go under your foundation, and then you put your foundation on, and then you put concealer where you want to highlight. I didn't know that, so sorry about the other videos, but it still looked fine. So now I'm going to put concealer on. And I'm just putting it on my cheeks, mostly to hide the redness, because my face is very red, and I literally need to put so much concealer on my cheeks to make sure that it actually hides, my redness face. Okay, so now I'm going to be putting on my foundation. Okay, now I'm putting concealer in my, I was gonna say in my eyes, but here where I have dark circles. And I also just want to go over this cheek just a little and there, because my cheeks are still red and I don't really like that. So now I'm just gonna blend all that in. Okay, so now I'm going to contour my face. So, I can't open my thing, there it goes. I'm taking this flat brush, and I'm going and taking this color, obviously the other one's a blush, and I'm just going for my cheekbones. Okay, and now I want to go under my, chin for my jawline. And I also want to take just a little and go on my temples just to sink my temples in. I don't know why I do this, but I really like how it looks, so I do it. It has no purpose, I just like how it looks. And I'm not going to do my forehead since his bangs are going to cover up my forehead anyways. Okay, now I'm taking this eyeshadow brush and I'm using it for my nose. And I'm just going down the sides. And I don't want to go, do I? No, I don't want to go under my nose, here. I usually do, but I don't know, I just don't feel like doing it today. And then I'm going to get over here. I also want to sink in my eyes just a little bit. So just go under, just follow your nose to under here, and it'll sink your eyes in a bit. Okay, so now I'm going to blend it all in with my fluffy brush, and then I'm going to take my beauty blender and blend it in even more. Okay, now I'm going to set all my makeup. And since I did put foundation on my neck, I'm going to make sure I set down my neck. It doesn't need to be nearly as like set, just like a little brush over the neck, so that way it all kind of stays. So I definitely wouldn't do this if I was going to a convention, but I'm taking this highlighter and using this brush, and it's like stabby. It's not stabby. It doesn't hurt. It's just like rougher. So it picks up this highlighter really well, and I'm just going to put it on my cheekbones just to bring out my jawline a little bit more. But the reason I wouldn't use it at a convention is because it literally is so glittery, but you can't see it on camera. So for camera this is great, but I wouldn't do it when if I was going to a convention or like out. I do use it for Todoroki though, if I go to a convention on the white side of his face, because even though it is glittery, it still looks good. Okay, so now I'm going to prime my eyes, and I always prime my eyes before I do my eyebrows, only because this is really wet and it needs a little bit of time to dry. So by the time I'm done with my eyebrows, it's usually dry. Okay, so for my eyebrows I'm using this one. It's like a very dark brown. So he has black eyebrows, so it's pretty close to black. It's not pretty close to black, it's like dark brown, but it looks more black than any other one I have. Well, that's like really thick, but I guess it's okay, because like, what am I doing with my eyebrows? I guess it's okay because he's a guy and he has like thicker eyebrows, but like, I don't know how I feel about this eye. Oh, that looks better. I just had a little bit too much. I don't even know what I'm saying at this point. Okay, they're really thick, especially that one. I overfilled it, so I'm just gonna like hopefully get that to look a little better. Oh my gosh, that looks so bad. Well, he is a guy, so I'll just fill this one in more. It looks better. Why is this end so thick? Like, it's so thick. I was trying to make myself have like angrier eyebrows, but that obviously didn't work. Okay, so now for the eyeshadow, which you definitely don't want to follow for the last tutorial I did. I literally was watching it and I was like, why did I do that? It looks like I have dirty eyes. Like, it was so bad. I don't know why I did that. But here's a better one. So I'm just thinking. I'm gonna take this like as a base color. It's pretty like creamy, not creamy, that sounds disgusting. It's like a cream color. Okay, so now I want to go to the next one under. I want to take this brown color. It's like a little bit darker than, it's not the shade of copper, but it's like one under that. But then I'm just going to put that on my lid, starting in the middle and dragging out to the edge, and then going back in on the inside and putting whatever's left on my brush down there. Now I want to take, what do I want to do? That already looks pretty good. I don't want to mess it up, but it definitely needs a little bit more. So I'm going to take this light brown right here and like put it right in my crease and just blend this up just a bit. A little bit. And I also accidentally got What happened to my voice? It's all gross. Like, am I losing my voice? That stinks. So now I'm just gonna try to blend that out a little bit with a cream color, because it went a little bit too far out. I'm gonna take the tiniest bit of this, you can't even see, this pink, and just go along my lower lid, my lower lash line, not lid, and just go right against it. Okay, so I would be using my liquid liner, but I cannot find that anywhere. So I'm taking this one, and I'm words. I'm trying to stay as close to my lash line as possible, but I'm trying to go like here all the way down, because he has like rectangle eyes, and I'm trying to get my eyes to look as rectangular as possible. It sounds so weird. You know what? No, I'm gonna ruin this, and we all know this. So I'm just trying to stay as close to my eyelashes, going from there to there to keep my eyes smaller, I guess. But I'm gonna go put it on in the mirror. Okay, now I'm gonna lie. I did my eyes, and this side doesn't look as good as this side, but whatever. So now I'm gonna be lining my bottom lid, but I'm using this eyeliner instead of the other one, because this one is much darker and it actually stays on my lower lid. Any other eyeliner I use on my lower lid just falls off, so. Oh, and I forgot to say, the reason that I'm doing this is because when I line this, it makes my eyes look smaller like that. I think I want to like go farther though, like that. Yeah, that looks better. Okay, so now I'm just gonna put on a tiny bit of mascara just to like fix my face. Okay, so now I'm gonna be putting on this random chapstick that I found because my lips are really dry. Okay, so now I'm dressed and have my wig on. Honestly, I kind of hate the wig, especially the bangs. I really hate the bangs. Like, what is this? Like, ugh. I need to fix this some way, but whatever. This is the outfit that I'm wearing right now. I can't think. My Instagram and TikTok will be in the description below. Also, everything that I use in this video will be down there too. Thank you guys so much for watching. Bye.